Hello all. This video is about a highly collaborative application that can be used in remote teaching, Padlet. Here in this application, the teachers and students can post their notes, they can use it as a live question bank, they can share their projects and ideas, they can paste images, links, videos, and many more. It is actually a, an online bulletin board. So let us see how to create this Padlet and how to use it in our remote teaching. For that, in your browser, just search for padlet.com. So this is the home page of your Padlet. Since I already have an account, I have moved into my home page, else they would ask for you to sign up. You can sign up there. There are two options. Either you can select the free version or paid version. In free version, you can create only 3 Padlets, but in paid version, you can create any number of Padlets. But I think we don't want to go for paid version, we need only free version, because after 3 Padlets, even there is option to save our Padlet. After saving, we can erase our first Padlet and can be reused it. So there is no need to go for a paid version, free version is more than enough. So this is our Padlet. Now you can create a new Padlet by clicking make a Padlet. So we can select any one layout among these 8 layouts. 8 layouts are available, either wall, canvas, stream, grid, shelf, black channel, map or timeline. I think in our classroom, wall, shelf and grid would be better. So let us see how to create a wall. Just select it. Now we can customize our Padlet. Here we can already one title and subtitle and description, everything will be there. We can change it. We can change it to anything, whatever we need. Math grade 5 I'm giving, that is the title. Description we can give whatever we want. Writing notes here. Okay, now if we want, we can select an icon, so that icon will appear near to our name of our Padlet. Then here we can change our wallpaper. There are solid colors are there, gradients is there, text pictures is there, textures and patterns. Even we can add our own if we want to. For example, I want to set my wallpaper as the class photo of grade 5. I can set it. If it is there with me, I can set it. So whatever you can do. You can select it. You can. So I'm selecting one color. Okay, or you can change it whichever you want. You can. That will be your background of your Padlet. There are many options. You can select anything from these given. Okay, now after this, we can change the font. Select any font. So the font of your Padlet would be the one which you have selected. This attribution, display author name above each post. If you switch it on, you can see who is posting. But to know who's posting, when we share the link of this Padlet, they have to log in. Only then we can identify who is posting. If they have not logged in and they are just posting, we can't see who has posted. It will be just written anonymous. Now we can decide where the new post should appear, whether it is in the first or last. Now we can, here there is an option for comments. Allow viewers to comment on post. If we switch it on, everyone can comment for each and every post there. Here we can give reactions. For example, if our students are posting anything, they are giving answers, we can grade them. There are many options, stars there, voters they like, whichever option you want you can. Next is require approval. That means whatever anyone is posting on this wall, only if we approve, that is the only if the teacher who has created the Padlet approves, that post will be displayed in the wall. Okay, so I think that is a good option because our students can't post whatever they need. Only if we give approval for their post, it can be posted. Then filter profanity is also there, that is we can replace bad words with nice emojis. After all this, click next. Now we can start posting. Okay, to start posting, either we can click on this plus sign or just double click anywhere, it will appear. You can give the title. I'm writing question, then we can write something. Who was the father of geometry? Okay, then just click that question. To whomever we have shared this Padlet can see this question and they can give me the answer for this also. Okay, now there are many options here. Same way we can upload any images, we can upload any links. Here we can search from Google. Here we can take a snap. Then there are many more, that is we can capture a video, record the voice, record our screen, we can draw. That is just see, I think this would be better if we are giving any work and we want to see them what they are doing, they can take this draw, they can do it here. 1 plus 2, whatever they are doing, equal to 3, and they can save it. Save it, it would appear on the screen. Okay, then again there are, if they want to ask any question, they can record their audio from microphone and they can post it, or they can take a snap. If they are doing, we are giving them some assignments and of that, and they can post it here. There are many options here, many options. So it can be used as a live bulletin where they can ask their question, they can share their ideas, or even we can use it for some debates. Whatever they can do it here. So I think this is a very useful application for all the teachers who are going for remote teaching. Now to share it with your students, you can see a button here on the top right corner, share. Just click share. Then either you can invite members here by adding members, or we can give permission, that is in change privacy we can give it as private or password secret or public. Public means everyone can see, private means it is hidden from public. So there are many options. Also we can change the visitor permissions, we can give it as can read, can write, and can edit. So if we are sharing with our students, we should give it as can write, only then they can view and add posts but they cannot edit and approve others posts. That can only be done by the teacher. So it is we can give it as scan right. Then we can copy the link. We can copy the link to our clipboard. If we click this, and in whichever platform you are taking, that is in Google Meet or Zoom or wherever, you can go and paste it there. And here there is an option, if you are taking your class in Google Classroom, you can directly share it on Google Classroom. You can share on Twitter, Facebook, you can mail them. All these things can be done. And as I told before, we can even save. We can save it as image, PDF, CSV, or spreadsheet. So after saving, after one class, after saving all these things what they have done, we can erase it completely and use it again. Okay, or even we can print it. So this is all about Padlet, and you just try it and try all the different 8 layouts. I think shelf layout will be much better than this wall layout. So try everything, explore it, and use it in your classroom for making it interactive. Thank you for watching.